The beautiful Islam. Islam, one of the major religions of the world, is not only a way of worship but also a complete code of life. Its beauty lies in its simplicity, its universality, and the values it instills in the hearts of its followers. Islam, meaning submission and derived from the word peace, salam, emphasizes harmony, justice, compassion, and connection with the Creator. The message of oneness. At the core of Islam is the belief in the oneness of Allah, God. This concept, known as Tawheed, unites people under a single truth, that there is only one Creator who sustains and governs everything. This pure monotheism removes divisions of race, color, or status, reminding humanity that all are equal before Allah. A religion of peace. The very word Islam reflects peace, and this peace is achieved by submitting to the will of Allah. The teachings of Islam guide people to live in balance, avoid harm, and spread kindness. The Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encourage forgiveness, patience, and love for others. The Prophet once said, "The best among you are those who bring greatest benefit to others." Values that enrich life. Islam's beauty is evident in its moral and ethical teachings. Honesty, respect for parents, kindness to neighbors, charity to the poor, and fairness in dealings are emphasized. The concept of zakat, charity, ensures wealth is shared, while salah, prayer, connects the believer with Allah 5 times a day, bringing peace to the soul. The balance of life. Islam does not call for abandoning worldly life, instead, it promotes balance between spiritual devotion and daily responsibilities. It teaches moderation in all things, neither excess nor neglect. The Quran reminds believers that life on earth is a trust and should be lived with responsibility toward family, society, and nature. Universal brotherhood. One of the most beautiful aspects of Islam is its message of unity and equality. All Muslims, regardless of language, culture, or background, stand shoulder to shoulder in prayer, symbolizing that no one is superior to another except by piety and good character. This principle of brotherhood extends to all humanity, as Islam teaches respect for every human being. A guiding light. For centuries, Islam has been a source of knowledge, culture, and civilization. From advancements in science and medicine to contributions in art, architecture, and literature, Islamic values have enriched human progress. More importantly, Islam provides spiritual light that continues to guide millions of people toward righteousness and inner peace. Conclusion. The beauty of Islam is reflected in its universal principles of peace, compassion, equality, and justice. It is a religion that uplifts the soul, disciplines the mind, and unites hearts. By following its teachings, humanity can find not only closeness to God but also harmony within society. Truly, Islam is a timeless message of peace and beauty for all of mankind.